Alright, I'm going to make this short video. This is another one of those instant karma situations. This happened in Winder, Georgia earlier today, and I'm recording this with my phone but looking at it on the dash cam obviously. But this car right over here on the left pulls up to the road, and the train has gone through right there on the railroad tracks. You can see right there the crossbar. And it's been sitting there for probably about 15-20 seconds. This car has. Well, let me show you what happens. He sits there and he finally decides, well, you know what, that is a lot of vehicles. I do believe I am in too big a hurry to sit here and wait on them to go, so I think I'll just go right on. And here's where the instant karma kicks in right here. See that car right there? It didn't work too good. Now this guy was sitting right in front of that car, so not only was he in a hurry, but he didn't want to take time to look at what was going on to see what kind of vehicles was around before he decided to do that very costly thing that he did. There's no telling how many hundreds of dollars he just ended up costing himself because he didn't want to wait. But anyway, you see the thing move there. That's whenever I lock the video, so I would be sure to have it saved. But anyway, that's the video, instant karma. As I get through the railroad track, I look over to the right, and he's standing there writing the ticket, just as I suspected. So pretty good one. Hope you enjoyed that. Y'all have a good night.